welcome back to our channel. Today I have a really simple tablescape idea that you can recreate using this classic color combination. Let's jump right in. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop our holiday collections and more on our website, cvlinens.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.